Marine growth such as mussels, barnacles and weed can completely cover a vessel. It can reduce a vessel's speed through the water, increases fuel consumption and takes time and money to remove. Traditional copper-based solutions pollute the marine environment and affect sea life. This is no longer acceptable. Made in the UK, Ultraguard Antifouling UG series is fast becoming the preferred alternative for commercial shipping. But smaller commercial craft and leisure boats without the power requirements or the space to fit Ultraguard have been missing out. Until now. Ultraguard Antifouling are pleased to announce the Ultraguard Master Series. Manufactured in the UK and powered by 12 or 24 volts DC, the Master Series is a compact unit that uses exactly the same operational circuits as the full-size UG systems. Master Series comes with two commercial-grade 120-watt transducers and all the cables and adhesive you require in one boxed kit. Now, wherever you are in the world, whether you operate small commercial craft or enjoy leisure boating, you too can experience the full protection of Ultraguard Antifouling.